So, students, now you have to 1 minute. 1 minute, everyone. Look at this picture. Look at the picture, and I will ask one by one. Whoever I will ask, that student has to give me answer. Okay? Shh. Chalo. Sun. Whoever I will ask, only that student has to give the answer. Avantika. Chalo. What is this? Sun. 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 So what is the beginning? What is the beginning sound? Tell me. Sun. Beginning sound means the sound which we hear first. जब भी हम कोई वर्ड सुनते हैं तो हमें जो फर्स्ट साउंड सुनाई देता है दैट इज द बिगिनिंग साउंड. ओके, वो बिगिनिंग साउंड का जो लेटर है वो हमको मुझे बताना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट साउंड आपको बताना है. Sun. Sun. So what is the first sound you are listening? What is? Yeah. So first sound, beginning sound is, everyone follow. Yeah. So means which letter? S. Write in your book. Write in your book. Right here. Okay, this write on this page. So I'll write here. So letter S produce sound. Yeah. And sun.
There's another line.
Yeah. So write the first letter. Okay. Now, Sushrut, what is this? What is this?
Sun.
This one. What is this?
Leaf.
Leaf. Correct. Leaf. 1 minute. Yeah. Sushrut, leaf. Okay.
L.
Arey wow. Well done. So sound. Tell me sound.
L.
L. Yeah. L.
L.
Yeah. L. Sound is L. What is the sound? L. Look here. L. Touch your tongue to the inner side of upper tip. करो ऐसे टच करो. ऊपर का टिप है ना, उसको अंदर से टच करो. मेरा टंग दिख रहा है आपको? अंदर है ना? मेरा ऐसा है क्या? Is it like this? No, it's like this. हाँ, correct. Lamb, बोलो lamb. 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 Lamb, बोलो lamb. Lamb. Lamb पता है ना वो lamb? Lamb. Or this also lamb. Like this. Electric lamp. So lamp bolo lamp. Lamp. L. Sound is L. So leaf. Correct. So first sound L. Now Ajinkya. What is this? What is this, Ajinkya? Nima, what is this? This one?
Bird.
Yeah, so bird. So first sound, begin. Yeah, sound.
B.
Yeah, sound B. Correct. B means which letter? B means which letter?
B.
Write down your book. Write down fast.
How to make it?
Now what is this?
Plant.
Yeah, but what is this?
Flower plant.
This is what? Pot.
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 Flower pot.
Yeah, this is pot. So show Nima pot. No, already you have done. Ajinkya, pot. Pot. So first beginning sound, which sound? Pot. Pot. So what is the beginning sound?
P.
Uh, pot. Letter P. Sound. Pot. Correct. P. So P means which letter?
P.
Correct. So this is pot. So beginning sound is P. Now what is this? What is this?
Stone.
Yeah, stone. 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 So what is the beginning sound?
T. T.
Stone. What is stone? Stone. Chalo bolo. Stone. Stone. Yeah, so beginning sound is. So letter is S. Yeah, you have to write only letter S, okay? Yeah, only write S. Stone. It's not stone, it's stone. One, is it done? Yeah, now what is this? Hey, what is this?
I know, it's window.
Yeah, correct. Window, window. What is the beginning sound? Wa. Yeah, so what is the letter? Window. Wa. Correct. W. 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 Window.
I just spell window.
Yeah, yeah. It's a spelling of window. You have to write only the beginning sound letter, okay? Nimai, tell me what is this? Door. So first sound. Correct. D. Write down D. D means letter D. Good. Well done. Now what is this? Sushru, tell me what is this? Sushru, tell me what is this? Yeah, grass. So what is the first sound? Arey, wow, well done. So grass. Ajinkya, grass. Yes, G.
Is this all the numbers?
Only you write this first letter sound. First letter you have to write.
This letter?
Yeah, yeah, this letter, okay? This letter you have to write.
This letter? Not these letters?
No, not these letters. You have to just write the first letter.
This letter.
Yes. झालं, 2 minutes.
Nothing.
Now it's done, okay? So today we have learned how to recognize the sound of the first letter sound. Okay? So,